Welcome to KTA Cookin' on Recipes. I'm Chef Ryan Covert, and today we're gonna make corned beef hash, cabbage, and pork meatballs. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. In a large mixing bowl, add corned beef hash, ground pork, eggs, garlic, onion, cabbage, cheddar cheese, breadcrumbs, salt, and pepper. Mix together well and place in the refrigerator to rest for 20 minutes. For easy cleanup, line a baking sheet with tinfoil and spray with nonstick cooking spray. Shape the meat into meatballs slightly smaller than a golf ball in size. Place meatballs evenly onto the baking sheet and bake for 25 to 30 minutes until done and slightly crispy on the outside. Once cooked, remove meatballs from baking sheet and place onto a serving platter. Serve with whole grain mustard as a dipping condiment. Enjoy this poo-poo for your St. Patrick's Day celebration. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.